This is the book of Luke 21 and verse 11. And great earthquakes shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence and fearful sights and great signs shall there be from heaven. Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'ashem, Makakadash, and the Heavenly Father, true name is Yahweh, and his unbegotten Son, Bahashem, and the name Hamashiach Yahushai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lashwakadash Latum. And I say Barakatham to the elders, Wa'akim Wa'akwaf, and I say Shalom. And this is a sit-down lesson of earthquakes in diverse places as of September the 7th, 2024, on this Saturday night at 9:28 p.m. And then you had the latest earthquake, I would say the outskirts of Utah. That was a 3.4 magnitude of an earthquake. And then you had a earthquake over in Nami of Japan. That was a 4.7 earthquake. And then you had an earthquake in Santiago de Cuba of Cuba, and that was a 4.5 magnitude of an earthquake. And then you had a earthquake over there in the outskirts of Japan. That was a 4.9 magnitude of an earthquake. And then you had a 6.0 earthquake, the outskirts of Tonga. And I believe day before yesterday, it was a 6.2 earthquake over there in Tonga a few days ago. Now you had the latest one, and it's a 6.0 magnitude earthquake. And then it was an earthquake over there in Tonga. It was a 4.8 magnitude of an earthquake. And then it was an earthquake in the Turkmenistan. That was a 4.7 magnitude of an earthquake. And then the Volcano Islands of Japan region, that was a 4.7 magnitude of an earthquake. And then Japan, once again, the outskirts, that was a 4.6 earthquake. And then the outskirts, once again, of Japan, that was a 5.2 magnitude of an earthquake. And then the Eastern Islands, that was a 5.4 earthquake. And the outskirts of Argentina, that was a 4.6 magnitude of an earthquake. And then you had an earthquake over there in Turkey, the outskirts of Turkey, that was a 5.0 magnitude of an earthquake. And then you had an earthquake in Taiwan, the outskirts of Taiwan, that was a 5.1 magnitude of an earthquake. So I'm going to go to the book of Luke 21, verse 11, read it again. And great earthquakes shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence and fearful sights and great signs shall there be from heaven. Right, so we're definitely going to see the increasing uptick of earthquakes in diverse places. And this is 2nd Ezra chapter 9 and verse 2. Then thou shalt understand it is a very same time wherein the highest, which is the heavenly Father, Yahweh, will begin to visit the world which he made. 2nd Ezra chapter 9 verse 3. Therefore, when there shall be seen earthquakes and uproars of people of the world. Right, so increasing earthquakes and increasing uproars of people of the world. Mostly, primarily, the earthquakes. Just like I brought out Luke 21 verse 11, earthquakes in diverse places. And this is the book of Psalms 18 verse 7. It says, then the earth shook and trembled, and foundations also the hills were moved and were shaken because it was rough. And this is the prophet Isaiah 29 and the prophet Isaiah 29 verse 6. Thou shalt be visit of Yahweh of hosts, with thunder and with earthquake and great noise and storms and tempests, flame fire. So with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying of the earthquakes, and sit-down lesson of earthquakes in diverse places as of September the 7th, 2024, on this Saturday night. So with that, I like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'ashem Akakadash, and the Heavenly Father, true name is Yahweh. and his unbegotten son, Bahashem, in the name of Mashiach Kabashai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the last one Kadash the whole time. And I say Barak Thumb to the elders, wa Akim wa Akwaf. Until next time, I will say Shalom. Let's see.